After catching a boatload of walleyes, we decided to take a trip up Central Lake to a scenic spot in search of my favorite, the Trophy Northerns.
I'm not too sure, but I felt something tapping it all the way in.
Yeah. Look at him. Look at him. There.
Oh my God.
Wow. That one's nicer.
How do you want to?
Actually, he's...
That's a nice one.
There we go. $35?
35.
Okay. Ooh!
That one looks like a little bit bigger.
That's good. Not too bad. Got like 2 cranks into it and whack.
Like that.
All tangled up.
Down to the crossroads, I tried to flag a ride. Down to the crossroads, I tried to flag a ride.
Back.
What's up with this reel?
Nobody seemed to know me. Everybody
The first
just
hit
passed
felt
me
more like a
by.
walleye where it just bump, 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 bump.
Oh, really?
And then I set the hook.
Run, you can run. Tell my friend Polly Brown. Run, you can run. Tell
Think
my
about the rattle
friend
traps.
Polly Brown. I'm standing at the crossroads. I believe I'm sinking down.
It certainly wasn't hard to find them. We sat in one spot and caught fish after fish. Not just northerns, but walleyes too. That's the cool thing about a place like this. You can fish for walleyes or pike without even moving the boat. We were catching walleyes on bulldogs and northerns on jigs. It didn't seem to matter what we used.
Now if I get a fish. There's
There
one.
you go. Right on.
Run, you can run. Tell my friend Polly Brown. Run, you can run. Tell my friend Polly Brown.
Beautiful.
I'm standing at the
wrong way,
crossroads. I believe I'm sinking down.
There you go. Never to be the same.
One of the most unique things about fishing is the powerful decision to catch and release. To catch that fish and then put it back where it came from. For someone else to catch in the future, or possibly even for yourself. Catch and release is certainly an important factor in keeping a healthy population of fish in any lake. That's not to say that you can't keep a few for one of the best parts of any fishing trip.
Shore lunch walleye right there.
It didn't take us long to put enough walleyes on the stringer for a great shore lunch.
Especially when you right there. There's pike below. Little splash right below. It's probably 34.
Another bite.
Not bad.
Yeah, he was chasing it for this guy.
Just do the old grip right behind the gills there. And then